Welcome back to Museful. So we're here to tell you about our quick getaway to
Disney World. So last week we had a very, very spontaneous, and when I say spontaneous, I mean spontaneous idea to say, hey, let's pick up the kids from school and let's surprise them with a trip to Disney World. So we saw where the wait times are very low before the rest of the country gets out for winter break. And so we wanted to squeeze a few more days of Christmas magic before the lines get so hectic. So as a part of that trip, we want the first half of the trip to be device free, no electronics, no TVs, no shows in the car. They can't do anything. They have to sing. They have to do something that's, tactile, friendly, and kinesthetically pleasing to them. So I had an idea. I saw these bags, and I decided to surprise both kids with a Disney themed bag. And this will be in their seat when they get in the car. And inside we have some Christmas Minnie and Mickey Disney hats for them. They also have some candy fun books. So of course, little fun puzzles for them to complete. They have just a few M&Ms, what's Christmas without candy? And they also have marker and paint pads. They can doodle, they can color, and I'll probably add a few more games in here before we leave tomorrow. So we have not told them they're going to Disney. All they know is we're going somewhere. They think we're going to eat, and they also think that Aubrey thinks that she's getting a doll, and Devin thinks he's going to Olive Garden. They have no idea that it's Disney World. So we'll give this to them when they get in the car. They'll have it in their seats, and then we'll show you the magic when we decide to surprise them and let them know in the car on the way to Disney. Okay, so we are actually about to cross. I can see the sign of Disney, but the kids don't know. They can see.
How many surprises do you have? We're at Disney! We're at Disney! I didn't know you were taking us to Disney. I didn't know you were telling me where we've been.
Avery knew, but nope. All right, so we are here on our surprise trip to Disney World. So we're actually going to come 3 days. So of course it wouldn't be right if we didn't start with Magic Kingdom first. All right. As you can see, I'm pushing little Miss Avery. Hi, Avery.
Go ahead, say like, follow, and share.
Share.
Good job, kids.
Right.